you in Iron Bird how every weapon works and how effective it is against human, snipers and drones. So we're starting with a butterfly knife against
Almost
humans.
there.
Very effective. You're spinning it if you just holding the trigger. Yeah, that's everything. How you use it. So actually just like spin it and then you just sting it.
Step
You
to
just
step.
only hit. Yeah.
Give space.
Police officers. Well, now we need the sniper, and I'm getting hit. Yeah, there is a sniper. I'm kind of low, and I died. Yeah, it's actually against snipers. It's the same effective like against humans. You just need to dodge his shots, and against drones, no, get away with drones. Next we have the Morning Star. Let's try. I've never used this weapon before.
Just walking it.
Let's see. You can actually just fly and swing them. That's actually cool. But you're not actually. If you're swinging it, you're not actually hitting it.
No problem, just control.
Really good. It's not really that good. You can just fly and hit them. It's very slow at swinging.
Now, evade this hot shot.
See,
Take the
not
hint.
that effective. And against drones, let's see. Now let's see how effective it is. Okay, it's literally the same effective as the butterfly, so yeah. It's not. It's effective to not really effective to human, not effective to drones, not effective to actually anything. So don't take this weapon. It's trash. You can unlock it if you want to have every weapon, but don't take it. Next we have dynamite. Let's see what this weapon is. If you fly, it's already starting, and it's not that good actually. It's the worst against drones, and it's not good against human too. So it's bad. Let's make room for the grenade. It's better than the dynamite because it's not exploding instantly. Against drones, you can just throw it, but it's hard to throw them. And every time you are out of grenades, you need to
Fatal error.
So that's
No bird
actually
found.
not that good. But against humans or snipers and police, it's actually very good.
rushing,
Look,
just
just
going.
look at this. You can just bomb the whole. Yeah, you can just do that. It's not very effective. So moving on to the landmine. It's actually the worst for drones and snipers. You can just use it for that and just wait until somebody steps over it.
He just subscribed.
You can also just do that. It's really effective, but it's not that good. So you just go ahead with that thing. This is like you just put this anywhere
Yeah.
where no one can see it, and it just explodes. So it's not that good against. You can use it against drones, sure. You can just do that. You can do that move. No, I pressed this. Sorry. I accidentally pressed it. You need to go on the floor for that. Just go down, just take it, and then you just wait, drop it, and you did it. So next one is the katana. So actually this one explosive is dumb. I don't know how it's actually named. Yeah, it's not that it's effective. Yeah, effective. Katana. So like the butterfly and the morning star, but better than the morning star. And it's better than the butterfly because it has more range.
This is my Olympic
You can easily get kill them. You can just Drones are just like drones, but with more health, so I'm letting the helicopter. Yeah, it's the same like the butterfly, I think. So it's not that good. Moving on to the good stuff. Woo! We're starting with the mid stuff. So I'd say good stuff, but this is mid from the good stuff. Pistol. It's not dealing that much damage, but it's okay. Like 4 shots into person down. It's not that good. It's very good against the other weapons we had before. But yeah, it's good for snipers and for drones. It's 3 shots. That was kind of good. Yeah, it's really good actually. But it's not good against helicopters, so be careful. You're 3-shotting a freaking drone. Boop. Moving on to the revolver. And let's see against drones. It's really slow, but 2 shots a drone. It's also 2 shots a person.
Wait and shoot.
2 hits a car. Yeah. You see there's the helicopter. Yeah, it's like the pistol actually. Just a little weaker. So moving on to the, I don't know what it is actually, grappling hook, I don't know. So against humans,
Walking like
cars,
the main character is understandable.
it's really effective because you can just knock them down. You can also grab weapons or stuff like, look. You can just take this, so it's really good. I don't think it's super effective against drones and snipers. Let me see. It's good against drones. It's really good weapon, but it takes long to shoot it. You see, you can easily destroy stuff. Okay, this you can kill stuff so easily. So moving on to the next one. To the probably just useless weapon in the game. The Disco Blaster. It's not even close to be effective to drones. It's not even effective to humans. You just make them dance. It's not effective at all. It's the worst weapon. It's even worse than the butterfly. Get out! Next we have this baby. It's good against drones. You can use this weapon. Against snipers too. And against human, let's try. Yeah, it's really good. It's a good weapon. It's kind of hard to aim sometimes. It's flying very fast. It's a really good weapon actually. But now, really, we're getting better in this video than this. So now we are going to the freezer. Yeah. So the freezer is tough. That's the toughest one. You can hold it. It's effective against drones. Effective against drones. course, it's freezing them. Why are they not falling down? It's really good against humans. Not against cars. I wouldn't use that against cars. You can use it to destroy ATMs. You cannot attack use them and then after you can attack. But yeah, it's actually pretty good. So yeah. Moving on to the next side. And this has one of the best weapons in the game, and I will let this one out first. So now we're going to grenade launch. It's really good against cars, humans. You can also spam it with humans. Really good against humans. Not that good against snipers, but it's okay against snipers. Not that good. And it's also not even effective. If you hit, yes, sir. But if you, I just said the German word. I'm really sorry. Bruh. So if you do not, so it's actually, it just goes like that, and that's not so good. So yeah, moving on to the sniper. If you're not using it as a, so you need to actually attack it. Attack it from far away. Bro, if you're just doing that, oh wait, I actually hit it. That's dumb if you're doing that. If you're just flying and then you're aiming. Oh wait, I'm aiming. Yeah, that's actually dumb. So melee, no. Yeah, but other method, yes. You just need to stay at your home, snipe the drones at the snipers, and maybe the helicopter, and then you're good. Then it's good. Woo! Okay, the next one we have is the RPG. Wait, I'm saving that for later. Oh my god, get out! Get off my house! So we're saving the RPG for later. Now, going with the shotgun. The shotgun is actually kinda good, but not really. It's taking long to shoot, and it's hard to actually. You need to go really close if you want to do high damage with it. So if you're shooting from far away, it's trash. And also it's trash against drones. I mean, look at this now, look at this. Okay, actually it's not that trash. What the fuck? I mean, it's still alive then. Go away, shotgun, nobody wants you. Next we have the party gun, where you can actually shoot out of it. No, we're not taking the party gun yet. First we're taking that. Wait, let me try this. Okay, next we have this. It's effective against human, hell yeah. It's really effective. You're two-shotting them. This one's really good. This is one of the best weapons in the game, actually. So, play with that. It's also effective against drones. I've already tested it. And yeah, by the way, you can fly through, you can shoot. Bro, I hate those ChatGPT pictures. Why? Let's be creative. Okay, next we have the laser gun. Mine sound is first, and I have no handset battery now. Mine You see, it's not even one-shotting humans. It's trash!
No thanks.
And it's also trash against drones. You can't even spam it. And yeah, it's just trash. Just don't buy it, except when I have every weapon and equipped. But I see no reason to buy it. Next is this weapon. It's also one of the best weapons. It's so loud. It's also one of the best weapons in the game. It's humans, drones, and everything. It's just the best. Now we're going to the top 2 best weapons in the game. This is number 3. This is number 1. This one's number 1. And this one's number 2. This one's number 2. Yeah, you might think it's the most OP weapon in the game because the Major also has it, but no, it's not. I mean, yes, you're one-shotting everything and but it's also going down. You see, it's also going down like that.
Think that.
So it's really good, but it's good against humans. But look, it's so hard to hit a drone. Die! So get out! You're not a number 1. Number 1. Yes, it is this little weapon. It looks. Wait, I haven't used this one yet, so I show you before I. It's a party gun, so yeah. Party, it doesn't mean that with dancing and everything like the disco gun. It's not a disco gun, it's a party gun. You will see what's happening.
Almost there.
Know that
If lost, follow the smell
is
of bread and
one
chaos.
of I'm going up with you. You're not falling down, little bro. You're never seeing the floor again. Yeah, this is just shoot balloons. Yeah, and that's it. Drones are trash against drones, but and also not that good against humans. Now we go to number 1.
Urgent here.
Taser.
Ball back.
Seems like trash, but look. It's one-shotting people and also taser.
Shot on target.
You can attack cars with that, but it's freaking one-shotting a helicopter and a drone. And also a sniper. Let's just wait for the helicopter to